Hey Monique Beauford, pretty cool name by the way, I like it. The fact that you were born in a different country just makes you like 10 times cooler, just saying. Also you have immediately, I was like, what is this girl doing out on a balcony, like taking this video? But it was, it was really cool. I love the view. I love that you're in a different country while you're doing this assignment. It's really neat. You have a great personality immediately connected to you with your love for multicultural ministry and Spanish. And you seem to have this very humble spirit about you. You might be the most powerful person in the world. I wouldn't know it. You seem to be like not saying everything. You're a very happy, bubbly person, which is great. I think every Christian should be like that, should aspire to be very open and accessible to everybody around them. You really did a great job in presenting your love for missions and the multicultural ministry. I mean, the fact that you were in Costa Rica at the time, that kind of helped a little bit. But I also connect with that because I've always had a heart for missions. I went to Spain for 2 months, long time ago now. But I also have had a heart for Spanish since I was like 16 years old. So I kind of just love, and not Spanish in particular, just any kind of cultural, anything different. Like, what am I talking about? Any languages, sorry. Okay, but Spanish, I'm from Texas, so Spanish is kind of like the language to learn if you're going to learn a different language. So I really have enjoyed working with Spanish people and Spanish churches. It's really been a love of mine, a passion of mine. So very much connect with you on that. It was very interesting to hear you say that your pastoral care emphasis, passion was grief and trauma, difficult times in people's lives. Didn't quite on first look or first impressions match with your ministry emphasis, which I thought was interesting. I would not have thought you would pick those, grief and trauma. Makes me think that you're a very compassionate person, that compassion is part of who you are, which is very honorable. Every minister in the kingdom of God should be compassionate, should be able to feel and be empathetic towards people, and definitely needed in grief and trauma in difficult times in people's lives. I've heard a few other of our classmates mention caring for people in these kinds of ways, in these kinds of times. So know that that's not something that I would choose, but is very, very necessary and needful in the work of God today. So, but anyway, pleased, I hope to get to meet you and to get to know you better here in a month or so. Anyway, have a good day.